Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manipavan, and our project is about feature extraction analysis of natural language processing for deep learning English language. Our internal guide is Mr. Sinwas sir, and our team members are Arvind Nayak, Abhinay Kumar, and Kalyan Kumar. Next. Next slide. Abstract. So, our project introduced the feature extraction method of deep learning and applies the ideas of deep learning to multimodal feature extraction, and we propose multimodal neural network. So we use NLP technology, natural language processing. It is a technology that enables computers to understand human language, and what segmentation is a primary task in this natural language processing method. Next, introduction. Next slide, introduction. Due to increasing technology and advertisement, science and technology, the huge various amount of data and different structures are extracted from different fields. Each of it has a different models and still be a good investment. The development cost is creating the system is evaluated against the ultimate benefit derived from new system. And the system is economically feasible. It does not require any addition hardware or software for these methods. Next, existing system. Next slide. Earlier, only some of the systems existed to the need of secure infrastructure implementation system. Currently, system developed is feasible. It is web-based user interface for audit workflow. Its purpose is to create, establish, and maintain workflow among various entities in order to facilitate all concerned users. Next, proposal system. Next, proposal system. In our project, we propose multi-model neural network, where for each mode, it has multi-layer subneural network structure. It converts the features in different modes to same model. To same model features, and it has hybrid network word segmentation processing method. And next, use case diagrams. Next slide. So here the user upload the wiki sentence data set, and next the data set is pre-processed and it generate the word segmentation by using BILSTM, BILSTM algorithm and BIGROUP, where the processed word segmentation algorithm is displayed by using these algorithms. The obtained result is compared and the word segmentation is predicted in the final stage of this diagram. Next, system architecture. In the system architecture, we have three subnetworks. We have three subnetworks where we call as three layers. And if we give the input to it, the input is sent to the first layer of the auxiliary bridge layer, and the input is analyzed. The analyzed input is sent to the next second layer, which is called hidden layer, where algorithms are applied and reconstructed. So after the applying of algorithms to this input, then the next it will be sent to the third layer, which the input is reconstructed. If we get any error from it, then it will reconstruct the input again by continuing the same process, just by sending it to the from again first stage. And next, algorithms. Algorithms, we use two types of algorithms. Here there are two deep learning neural networks. One is BIGROUP and the other is BILSTM. And from both, BIGROUP takes less time to execute and give less loss compared to the BILSTM. So we accept the less loss model as a best model in this case. So we use mostly the BIGROUP algorithm to get the output from it. And next, extensive libraries. Extensive library involves in like documentation, regular expressions, threading, web browsers, databases. These all are only applicable if the Python is installed in this system. So all these available where the Python is installed. This is called as the batteries included philosophy of Python. Beside this, even there are some of the standard library, high quality libraries, such as like Python imaging library, which is amazingly simple image, and we these are also used for the deep learning. These libraries are also used for the deep learning. And next, conclusion. The model we proposed were better than the previous models, like BiListem CRF, which is the previous model. So these algorithms are 1.62 times faster than the BiListem CRF of previous model and word segmentation method, and it is 1.94 times faster than the previous model, like BiListem CRPF. So compared to this, BiListem GRU is faster than the remaining of the previous methods. Next, future scope. So in future, by using these type of deep learning methods, we can extract various data from the systems, where and does not learn directly on the raw data, and how to get the multimodal vision low dimensional features directly from the original multimodal data needs for further research. And thank you.